AI might be a helping machine, but it's hurting millions of workers and their families. Let's also not forget about cybersecurity and privacy. AI collects a lot of our private information, like what we search, where we go, and even how we talk. Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon to the respected judges, audience, and all my dear friends. I am Tawfiq. Let me begin by responding to a point raised by my opponent. They said AI is helping with emotion. But let's be real. AI does not feel real human emotions like love, kindness, or sadness. It gives programmed response. It's not the same as a warm hug or a listening friend. For instance, elderly patient using AI-based robot like Paro showed short-term emotional improvement, but long-term reliance lead to feeling of emptiness because they miss real human touch. So it is clear that AI can simulate empathy, but it doesn't feel it. Now let's talk about something very serious. AI is stealing jobs. Robots are now doing work at factories, shops, banks, and even in restaurants. They don't need sleep, lunch breaks, or salaries. That might sound good for business, but it's terrible for people. A report says that by 2030, over 800 million jobs could be lost because of AI. That's scary. If people don't have jobs, how will they earn money? If they can't earn money, how will they live? AI might be a helping machine, but it's hurting millions of workers and their families. Let's also not forget about cybersecurity and privacy. AI collects a lot of our private information, like what we search, where we go, and even how we talk. If this data is stolen or misused, it can become a huge danger. Hackers can use AI to spread fake news, steal identities, and even cheat people online. Another big issue is AI in war and weapons. AI is now being used to build smart weapons and war robots. What if one day AI is fighting wars instead of humans? It's not a science fiction. It's already happening in some of the countries. AI is not a boom. It's a real threat to the world peace. And lastly, we must talk about is how AI can lead to mental laziness. When we rely on machines for every little thing from spelling to solving maths, our brains stop working as hard. If we stop thinking, learning, or creating, how will we grow? So, dear friends and respected judges, AI is not just a helper. It can become a huge danger if not controlled. It is slowly replacing human touch, human work, and even human thinking. That's why we strongly say AI is a ban, not a boom. Thank you so much for listening to my speech. I hope you like it and learn something too.
Thank you, Tawfiq. Thank you. That was really a well-structured speech.